Scientists at the University of California, Irvine just discovered something remarkable. A specific type of fasting can actually reverse age-related damage in the brain's memory center. The study, published in the journal Aging Cell, found that mice who started intermittent fasting later in life showed dramatic improvements in how their neurons communicate, particularly in the basal forebrain, a region critical for learning and memory. Here's what matters. The research didn't just show that fasting prevents aging. It showed that fasting reversed damage that had already occurred. The most striking finding? Calcium regulation in aging brain cells, which typically becomes chaotic and contributes to cognitive decline, returned to youthful levels after just a few months of intermittent fasting. This wasn't a lifelong diet protocol. The mice started fasting late in life, equivalent to a human beginning the practice in their 60s or 70s, and it worked anyway. The implications stretch far beyond weight loss or metabolic health. This research suggests that certain types of fasting might offer a realistic, accessible intervention for age-related cognitive decline, even if you've never tried it before. What the researchers actually discovered. The UC Irvine team focused on neurons in the basal forebrain, a brain region that deteriorates in Alzheimer's disease and normal aging. They compared young mice to old mice, then introduced a third group. Old mice placed on an intermittent fasting schedule. The fasting protocol was straightforward. Mice ate during an 8-hour window and fasted for 16 hours, a pattern commonly known as 16.8 intermittent fasting. The results were dramatic. Aging neurons typically struggle with calcium buffering, the process by which cells regulate calcium levels to maintain proper function. Too much calcium inside neurons causes them to become overexcited, leading to dysfunction and eventual cell death. In the fasting mice, calcium buffering capacity improved significantly. Their neurons behaved more like young neurons, maintaining stable calcium levels even under stress. The researchers also examined inhibitory synaptic transmission, the brain's braking system that prevents neurons from firing too frequently. This system weakens with age, contributing to cognitive problems. Fasting restored inhibitory transmission to youthful levels. The neurons could once again regulate their own activity effectively. Perhaps most importantly, these changes happened relatively quickly. The mice fasted for just a few months, yet the cellular improvements were measurable and significant. Research on intermittent fasting and brain health has been growing, but this study stands out for demonstrating actual reversal of age-related dysfunction, not just prevention. But here's what most people misunderstand about fasting in the brain. Everyone talks about fasting like it's a metabolic hack for weight loss. The real story is completely different. Fasting doesn't just change how your body processes food. It fundamentally alters how your cells manage stress. Most people think the benefits of fasting come from eating fewer calories or burning fat. That's not quite right. The cellular benefits appear to stem from a process called hormesis, where mild stress triggers protective responses. When you fast, your cells enter a state of mild stress. This sounds bad, but it's actually beneficial. The stress activates cellular repair mechanisms that would otherwise remain dormant. Your neurons start cleaning out damaged proteins, improving their energy production systems and strengthening their stress resistance. Think of it like exercise for your cells. The workout itself is stressful, but the adaptation makes you stronger. This explains why the UC Irvine study showed such dramatic results even when fasting started late in life. The neurons weren't damaged beyond repair. They just needed the right signal to activate their built-in maintenance systems. Studies on cellular stress responses have shown that periodic fasting triggers autophagy, a cellular cleaning process that removes dysfunctional components and recycles them for energy. In the brain, this process is particularly important because neurons don't divide and replace themselves like other cells. They need robust maintenance systems to last a lifetime. The UC Irvine findings suggest that even aging neurons retain the capacity to activate these systems. They just need the right trigger. Why calcium matters more than you think. Calcium isn't just for bone health.